How to fill up Arcade Facilitator program enrollment form. Here is the what is Facilitator program. Read about this and then check box your mail and then just go scroll down and here is the swags and click on next. Then just wait for a moment and click this captcha. I am not a robot. Then wait for a moment and it is reloaded. Now here you again see this page. Click on next. Then carefully read all the terms and conditions. Then select yes, I accept. Okay, and then after click on next and then just scroll down. And now what you have to do, just type your registered Cloud Skill Boost account mail address, newly registered mail address. Make sure which account you have created. If you yet not created, just go through a recent video I have created how to create account. Now fill the full name, then gender, then country, select your country. Okay, then scroll down, then which identifies, if you are student, select student. If you are developer, select developer. If you are working, then okay, then graduation year, and then if you have referral code, select yes. If you have not, then no. Okay, and then just you have to put your referral code. Check the description, I have provided the referral code and type this. And then now what you have to do, yes, I have already have an account. First option, click on next. Now you have to enter your Cloud Skill Boost account link and make sure your account in profile is public and go through our video how to make public. And here is the steps, just go through this. And now just go to your Cloud Skill Boost account, click on settings. Now scroll down little bit. Now here you can see I have enabled public profile. Now copy this profile link address, then paste it. Okay, and then you can see my profile is public. Okay, now after you need click on next. After clicking next, just select all of this option, I acknowledge, then go through this. When you submit, what will happen, just go through this carefully. And then what you have to do, just scroll down little bit and click on the submit button. Then you have successfully submitted, and after submission you have to wait 24 to 48 hours for confirmation mail. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.